video, we're going to do a quick recap of 2 years ago where I posted a video about how I got a bankruptcy deleted in 24 hours. I'm going to show you some steps that you can take to help you dispute and get your bankruptcy deleted off your credit reports. So you have the pesky bankruptcy on your credit report, and if you're a business owner, you can't even get funding with that bankruptcy sitting there. So I know it's driving you crazy. So real quick, I just want to give you guys some strategies that you can use to help you in the dispute process. But first, let's take a look at this video from 2 years ago. Imagine if you woke up to an actual text message from Equifax or Experian or TransUnion stating that, hey, we have deleted your bankruptcies. What if they sent you that in PDF form via text message? That would blow your mind, right? Well, that is what just happened to one of my clients this morning. Quick recap of how we got there. First thing that I did was to, of course, reach out to the bankruptcy court that she filed her bankruptcies at for the verification letters. Once we received that confirmation from U.S. bankruptcy court stating that they do not release information to credit bureaus, blah, 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 we take that verification letter and I started immediately disputing with LCI, the TransUnion company who houses bankruptcy information, and LexisNexis. So we launched a dispute with them, and dispute results come in. A couple of weeks later, we receive letters from them stating that they have deleted and removed the bankruptcies off of their files. Step 3, I took my bankruptcy letter from the courts along with my letters from LCI and LexisNexis, and I go to the CFPB's website to launch a complaint against the 3 credit bureaus. And in less than 24 hours, my client gets a text message from Equifax with a link to click on it. And here's what she got. Bankruptcies, she had 2, were deleted off of her credit report in less than 24 hours. Now, there were some steps that we had to take in order to get to the point to where the bankruptcy actually got deleted in. And so I just want to share with you some of those steps that you could use to help you out. Now, channel, I'm always showing videos or little clips of letters that I receive from creditors and consumer reporting agencies and things of that nature. So this is going to be no different. So here's a letter from LexisNexis stating that they have deleted the bankruptcy. This is going to be one of the main things that you're going to use to dispute with. Here's a process that you can use. If you are disputing a discharge bankruptcy, you're not going to have any accounts that are reporting on your credit report that are included in bankruptcy. So you won't need to worry about the step. But however, if you have a discharge bankruptcy, you're going to have accounts that are reporting on your credit report that are included in bankruptcy. So step 1, you're going to want to dispute the accounts that are included in your bankruptcy to see how many or what you can get taken off of that while you're disputing with LexisNexis, because that's the main step to getting the bankruptcy removed off your credit report. It's LexisNexis. If it was the very first time the bankruptcy was ever getting disputed, would go something like this. Now, you see where I'm actually challenging whether or not they have the account connected to the correct person. I want them to validate that bankruptcy. And believe it or not, this letter is short and sweet, just like most of my dispute letters. But this letter has gotten us so many bankruptcies dismissed or discharged, even bankruptcies that are still open in file status, deleted from LexisNexis. So you're going to want to go to annualcreditreport.com to pull credit reports for every single bureau that has been reporting your bankruptcy. Now, once you've gotten your credit report downloaded, I want you to scroll past everything that you usually mainly look at and go to the fine print. And so toward the end of your actual report, you're going to see where it starts to mention about your public record. And it's going to tell you the source of the information received by Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, whoever's reporting it. Guarantee you, it's going to say that they got that information from LexisNexis. So I want you to save this information, because The next step would be, once you get LexisNexis to delete the bankruptcy, they're going to send you out a letter, a nice letter telling you that they have deleted the public record from their records. Bam, that's all you need. And so the next step that you're going to take is you're going to create an account with the CFPB if you don't already have one, and you're going to launch a complaint against whoever has the bankruptcy reporting. You're going to create individual dispute letters to each bureau accordingly and dispute that bankruptcy. You're also going to upload a copy of each credit report that you have, while you're circling and highlighting the fact that they're stating that they got that information from LexisNexis. And you're also going to upload a copy of the letter that is sent directly from LexisNexis, stating that they have deleted the public record. And I forgot to mention this, you're going to get a copy of your LexisNexis report where it's stating that there's no bankruptcy reporting on your credit report, and you're going to upload that as well, along with 3 complete forms of your ID. So in your complaint with the CFPB, you're going to state exactly what's going on. They're reporting this unverifiable bankruptcy on your credit report, and then you're going to tell the CFPB what you would like you do. Of course, you want them to make the credit bureaus take this off your credit report. You're going to up the reporting documentation and go through all the answering of the questions, and you're going to submit, and you're going to wait. Now, this is about 85% successful when we do it and do it this way. Now, I know you're going to want to know, how long does this take? Well, that technique, actually, how long it takes for you to get LexisNexis to actually delete the bankruptcy and send you that letter and get copies of your updated LexisNexis credit reports. So technically this strategy can only be used if you have gotten LexisNexis to delete the bankruptcy. So same thing with LCI. If LCI is bankruptcy to TransUnion, and you look at your TransUnion report and you find out that that's the case, you can use the same exact strategy with LCI as well. So, and the reason why we like to use the CFPB is so that we have a legitimate middleman called the government, okay? So, because we want to avoid the credit bureaus doing as much of their funny business and playing their tricks as possible, right? Through the CFPB. You cannot say, oh, we never received anything, from you. You can't lie about that. The CFPB sent it to you and I have proof. So that's that for that particular strategy. It does work really well. If you need some help creating letters, of course, we can help you with that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or shoot me a text or email, whatever. We also have lots of free information on our website. We have free downloads, free dispute letters, and all types of things. So if this video helped you, please like, share, comment. And until the next time, I will talk to you soon. I hope this video helped you.